Today I will take up the characterization of the famous novel Kanthapura. And this famous novel is written by Raja Rao. And first of all, we will discuss the one and the main and most important part of this novel Kanthapura, that is Goddess Kanchamma. Goddess Kanchamma is the main deity of the village, and she came from heaven and killed the demon, and this is the myth of the villagers of Kanthapura. Second one, we talk about the village Kanthapura, and this is the village Kanthapura, and there are only 24 houses, and this village is divided into 5 quarters. First one, Brahmins; second, Parya and potters, weavers, and Sudras. All these are the 5 quarters, 5 castes that lives in the village Kanthapura. Now I will talk about the first and the main important character of this novel Kanthapura, that's name is Achakka. Achakka is an elderly woman and she is the narrator of the story. And she has only one son that's named Sinu. Sinu is a supporter of Murthy. So first family, that is Achakka. Achakka's son, only one son, that's name is Sinu. Now come to the second family, and this one second family is the Narsamma and Murthy. You know, Murthy is a main and the most important character of this novel Kanthapura. And Narsamma is the mother of Murthy. She is a widow and she gave birth to 11 children, and 5 of them died. In 11 children, 5 of them died, and remaining 6, all these are the girls, remaining 6 have been married off. And only, and in this 6, Murthy is the only son of Narsamma. He is unmarried. And he is quiet. Now I am talking about Murthy. He is a quiet and genius young man. He is an active worker of Congress party. Is it clear? First of all, I talk about Achakka, first family Achakka. Achakka is the narrator of the story, and his son is Sinu, and he is the supporter of the Murthy. And the second family, Narsamma has 11 children, and 5 of them died, and 5, in which 5 have been married off, and only one son, that's name is Murthy. Murthy is the active worker of Congress party and is a very quiet and genius young man. And the next family is Rangamma's family. Rangamma. Rangamma is a lady, and Rangamma is she is the supporter of Murthy, and she has one sister-in-law and one widow sister. I am going to repeat. Rangamma has one sister-in-law and one widow sister. Sister-in-law, that's name is Venkamma. Is it clear? Rangamma's sister-in-law name is Venkamma. And Venkamma has 2 daughters. In novel Kanthapura, we read only name of the 2 daughters of Venkamma. First one Rangamma and second one Nanja. But Nanja's number is given in the novel Kanthapura. She is the daughter of the 3rd number. Nanja and Ranga. Nanja is unmarried and Ranga is married, and her husband name is Sinappa, and he is a lawyer, and he is the friend of Bhatta. Is it clear? It means Venkamma doesn't support her Murthy. Right? Rangamma sister-in-law name is Venkamma, and she has 2 daughters, first one Ranga and the second one Nanja. Ranga is married and her husband name is Sinappa and he is a lawyer. And then Rangamma's widow sister. Rangamma's has only one widow sister, that's name is Kamlamma. Kamlamma and her one daughter, that's name is Ratna. Ratna is a widow. She likes Murthy and she is a supporter of the Murthy. Is it clear? I have already talked about the Rangamma's family. In Rangamma's family is two sisters. First one sister-in-law, second one widow sister. Sister-in-law name is Venkamma and widow sister name is Kamlamma. Kamlamma's daughter named Ratna and Venkamma's two daughters and the name are Ranga and Nanja. Rangammas has only one cousin. That's name is Sitharamu. That's name is Sitharamu and he lived in Karaway. Is it clear? Rangamma's cousin name Sitharamu and we will read this character in the part 2 in the Sackhampton Coffee State. And then Rangamma's her father name. Rangamma's father name Rama Krishnaya. This is a very big family in novel Kanthapura. Rangamma's father Ramakrishnaya and Rangamma's cousin Sitharamu and Rangamma's sister-in-law Venkamma and Rangamma's widow sister Kamlamma. And we can say that Ramakrishnaya has two daughters. First one Rangamma and second one Kamlamma. Is it clear? Now we talk about Ramakrishnaya. Ramakrishnaya, when he heard the news of the Murthy arrest, he fainted and died. And he is a supporter of Murthy. In this family, Rangamma's family, Ramakrishnaya, Rangamma, Kamlamma, Ratna and Sitharamu. All these are followers of Gandhiji and the supporter of Murthy. But here is only one character that's name is Venkamma. She is sister-in-law of Rangamma, but she doesn't supporter of Murthy. She is against of Murthy. Now students come to the next family and the main member and head of this family is Bhatta. Bhatta is a rich Brahman and is a money lender and he is against Murthy. And he charges a very high rate of interest and become a rich money lender. And his favorite dishes are fresh honey, solid curds, Bengal gram kheer and after the holy meal because Bhatta is a Brahman and when he goes to a house for a meal and after the holy meal Bhatta takes a coconut and 2 rupees. What he takes? He takes a coconut and 2 rupees. And then Bhattas has two wives. First wife name is Svitha Ramma. I'm talking about Savitha Ramma. Savitha Ramma, she was very nice lady and she went to Champak well to fetch the water and then there she slept and died. Bhatta's first wife slept and died. That's name is Svitha Ramma. Now second wife after that Bhatta's second wife that's name is Chinamma. Chinamma, she is a second wife and she is 12 and a half years only. She is a girl of 12 and a half years only. And she brings 1000 rupees in cash and 5 acres of wetland. You know, wetland is a fertile land. And is it clear? And she brings 1000 rupees in cash and 5 acres of wetland as a dowry. And then in this novel Kanthapura, Now we talk about the priest. Priest, that means pujari. First one, Rangappa. Rangappa is a priest. Second, Jairamchar. Jairamchar is a Harikatha man and he narrates the story of the Lord Vishnu. And the third priest is Achakka. Is it clear? Here is three priests in this novel Kanthapura. First one Rangappa, second one Jairamchar, and the third one Achakka. Now we talk about Bade Khan. Bade Khan is a policeman. He lives in Saffington Coffee Estate. And we can say that he is the agent of the British company. And the next one, Rangi Gowda. Rangi Gowda is the Patel of Kanthapura. Who is Rangi Gowda? Rangi Gowda is the Patel of Kanthapura and he belongs to the Periyar community. Students, all these characters are the most important characters of the novel Kanthapura and you will prepare the same, and here is the most important, in which the most important character is Bhatta, Murthy and Ratna. In female, Ratna is the most important character. You will prepare it accordingly. And now all the remaining, here is the number of characters, and the remaining characters we will discuss in my next video, part 2, and then you will prepare accordingly.